Try to forget, but the thoughts they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. But now I've realized you were what I needed this whole time. I've been around, no one else has got me feeling this way.
I found somebody, I say that it don't cost money. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first, all of the turns that I had to unlearn.
As a student preparing for our research next semester, I found Gobu a valuable tool that helps me efficiently analyze academic papers by providing citation-based summaries, extracting key methods and findings, and offering collaborative features that supports organized, ethical, and method-driven research. So let's navigate the features. Here in Project, you can add article analysis or smart summary. The article analysis feature extracts and summarizes key components of academic papers such as the methodology, core findings, limitations, and significance. It directly links to the source for accuracy and traceability. On the left side is the concept, which includes terms and theories, which is central to the study. Another one is the key results, which includes the study's main findings such as the data, effects, and statistical outcomes. It linked to the original source within the paper for accuracy. It also includes limitations in the article analysis, which identify the constraints in the study. Gobu also includes its contribution to the analysis by highlighting what the study adds to its field, such as the new insights, methods, theories, or application. It is clearly stated and linked to the source text for accurate attribution and context. Ultimately, the all excerpt feature in Gobu displays every text passage the AI has extracted from the uploaded article to support its analysis. You can also drag and drop extracted pages into your workspace. You can click the Take to Canvas to let you move content into a visual workspace where you can organize, edit, and build ideas interactively. You can also go through to the different sections of article analysis. What I really love about it is you can drag and drop excerpt or content into the visual workspace, making it easy to organize, edit, and connect ideas interactively. You can also connect them using arrows to show relationship, flows, or hierarchies. It helps visualize how concept and findings link together. Also, you can directly add analysis to your workspace, allowing you to drag summarized insights like the methods, results, or concepts. In the canvas, you can organize, annotate, and build your own structured understanding. In Gobu, you can compare and analyze multiple papers side by side to explore differences in methods, results, and key insights. Every analysis insight is linked directly to its source within the uploaded paper, so you can trace each point back to the exact sentence. Importantly, for learning, I use the Smart Summary, which offers high-quality reviews, quick answers, and clear conclusions backed with source-linked content. The summary section gives a brief and clear overview of the paper. The concept section highlights and explains the key terms, theories, and ideas. The quick answer sections delivers concise responses to important questions about the papers, while the takeaway distills the core message or practical insights. The conclusion offers a clear summary of the study's main findings, while all excerpts provide a comprehensive source-linked collection of relevant text. You can insert notes directly to the canvas to add comments, reflections, or summaries. Also, you can add analysis from your library directly to the canvas, allowing you to reuse insights from previously analyzed papers for comparison, synthesis, or deeper exploration. So use the interactive canvas to organize insights, connect ideas, insert notes, and even compare multiple papers all in one powerful workspace. Start free today at Gobu AI and level up your research game faster, smarter, and better.
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, then fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear. Oh,
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks.